Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook a yummy vegetable dish, eggplant with minced pork. Here are the ingredients. 200 grams eggplant, cut similar to this, 200 grams minced pork, half-inch ginger, julienned, 3 cloves garlic, 1 bunch of spring onion, separate the green from the white part, half tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. This is optional. First, we're going to fry the eggplant. Heat a small amount of oil in the pan, and once the oil is hot enough, fry the eggplant until it becomes soft. Flip the eggplant so it will be evenly cooked. Once done, remove from the pan, then add a small amount of oil and saute the garlic, ginger, and the white part of spring onion. Mix until they become aromatic. Add the minced pork and cook for 10 minutes until the liquid evaporates. Season with soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and mix until the flavors are well combined. Put back the eggplant and continue to mix. And the last step is to add the spring onion and sesame oil. Here's our eggplant and minced pork recipe. This is a simple and savory dish that can be prepared in less than 30 minutes. Partner with warm rice and you're off to a satisfying lunch. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!